In the world of natural remedies, few plants hold the versatility and potency of alfalfa. This unassuming sprout, often relegated to the realm of animal feed, is a treasure trove of essential nutrients and medicinal compounds. For centuries, traditional medicine systems have harnessed the power of alfalfa to address a wide range of ailments. Today, modern science is catching up, uncovering the scientific basis for alfalfa's impressive health benefits. From its potential in fighting chronic diseases to its ability to support overall well-being, alfalfa is emerging as a potent player in the natural health arena. Join us as we delve into the fascinating world of alfalfa, exploring its history, its properties, and its potential to transform your health. Alfalfa, scientifically known as Medicago sativa, is a flowering plant belonging to the legume family. This remarkable plant has been celebrated for centuries, not just for its beauty, but for its incredible nutritional value and versatility. Its name, derived from the Arabic al-Fakfaka, meaning father of all foods, speaks volumes about its nutritional prowess. This ancient name hints at the reverence ancient civilizations had for alfalfa, recognizing its potential to nourish and sustain life. Cultivated for over 6,000 years, alfalfa originated in Central Asia and quickly spread throughout the world, prized for its use as both a nutritious forage crop for livestock and a potent medicinal herb. Its adaptability to various climates and soils made it a staple in agricultural practices across continents. Alfalfa's deep root system allows it to draw an abundance of nutrients from the soil, making it exceptionally rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These roots can reach depths of up to 15 feet, tapping into nutrient reserves that many other plants cannot access. It's a significant source of vitamins K, C, and E, as well as essential minerals like calcium, magnesium, potassium, and iron. These nutrients play crucial roles in maintaining bone health, boosting the immune system, and supporting overall well-being. Additionally, alfalfa boasts an impressive array of bioactive compounds, including flavonoids, saponins, and phytoestrogens, which contribute to its diverse health benefits. These compounds have been studied for their potential to reduce inflammation, lower cholesterol levels, and even balance hormones. Today, alfalfa is consumed in various forms, from fresh sprouts in salads to dried leaves in teas and supplements. Its versatility makes it easy to incorporate into a healthy diet, providing a natural boost of nutrients and health-promoting compounds. Whether used in traditional medicine or modern health practices, alfalfa continues to be a valuable resource. Its long history and proven benefits make it a true nutritional powerhouse, rooted in ancient wisdom and thriving in contemporary wellness. Alfalfa's rich nutritional profile translates into a wide range of health benefits. Its high vitamin K content plays a crucial role in blood clotting and bone health. Vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant, supports the immune system and protects against cellular damage. Meanwhile, vitamin E contributes to skin health and protects against oxidative stress. Beyond vitamins, alfalfa's mineral content is equally impressive. Calcium and magnesium work synergistically to support bone density and muscle function. Potassium, an essential electrolyte, helps regulate blood pressure and fluid balance. Iron, crucial for red blood cell production, helps prevent anemia and combat fatigue. Emerging research suggests that alfalfa may hold promise in the fight against cancer. Studies have shown that certain compounds found in alfalfa, particularly saponins, exhibit anti-cancer properties. These compounds work by inhibiting the growth and spread of cancer cells, inducing apoptosis, programmed cell death in cancer cells, and reducing inflammation, a known contributor to cancer development. While more research is needed to fully understand alfalfa's role in cancer treatment, these preliminary findings are encouraging. Alfalfa should not be considered a replacement for conventional cancer therapies, but may serve as a complementary approach to support overall health and well-being during treatment. High cholesterol is a major risk factor for heart disease, the leading cause of death worldwide. Alfalfa has shown potential in lowering levels of LDL cholesterol, often referred to as bad cholesterol. This beneficial effect is attributed to alfalfa's high content of saponins, which bind to cholesterol in the gut, preventing its absorption into the bloodstream. By reducing LDL cholesterol levels, alfalfa may help prevent the buildup of plaque in the arteries, a condition known as atherosclerosis. This, in turn, can improve blood flow, reduce the risk of heart attack and stroke, and promote overall cardiovascular health. Anemia relief. Alfalfa's iron-rich boost. Anemia, a condition characterized by a deficiency of red blood cells or hemoglobin, can lead to fatigue, weakness, and shortness of breath. Alfalfa, being a good source of iron, can help combat iron deficiency anemia. Iron is an essential component of hemoglobin, the protein in red blood cells responsible for carrying oxygen throughout the body. Consuming alfalfa can help replenish iron stores, promoting the production of healthy red blood cells and alleviating anemia symptoms. Additionally, alfalfa's vitamin C content enhances iron absorption, maximizing its effectiveness in combating anemia. Balancing blood sugar. Alfalfa's role in diabetes management. Alfalfa has shown promise in helping regulate blood sugar levels, making it a valuable ally for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. Studies suggest that alfalfa may improve insulin sensitivity, allowing the body to utilize glucose more effectively. Furthermore, alfalfa's high fiber content contributes to its blood sugar regulating effects. Fiber slows down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, preventing rapid spikes in blood glucose levels. This stabilizing effect on blood sugar can be beneficial in managing diabetes and preventing complications associated with the condition. Easing menopausal transitions. Alfalfa's natural support. Menopause, a natural biological process marking the end of a woman's reproductive years, is often accompanied by a range of uncomfortable symptoms, including hot flashes, night sweats, and mood swings. Alfalfa contains plant compounds called phytoestrogens, which mimic the effects of estrogen in the body. During menopause, estrogen levels decline, contributing to these uncomfortable symptoms. Alfalfa's phytoestrogens can help alleviate menopausal symptoms by providing a natural source of estrogen-like activity. This can help balance hormone levels, reduce the frequency and severity of hot flashes, and improve overall well-being during this transitional phase. A word of caution: using alfalfa safely. While alfalfa offers a plethora of health benefits, it's essential to consume it safely and responsibly. This nutrient-rich plant can be a great addition to your diet, but like any other food, it should be consumed with care and awareness. Alfalfa is generally safe for most people when consumed in moderate amounts as part of a balanced diet. It is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can support overall health. However, moderation is key to reaping its benefits without any adverse effects. Individuals with certain health conditions, such as autoimmune disorders or those taking blood-thinning medications, should consult with their healthcare provider before incorporating alfalfa into their diet. This is because alfalfa contains compounds that might interact with certain medications or exacerbate specific health conditions. Additionally, it's crucial to source alfalfa from reputable suppliers to ensure its quality and safety. Alfalfa grown in contaminated soil or treated with harmful chemicals can pose health risks. Therefore, always opt for trusted sources. Look for organic, non-GMO alfalfa products to minimize exposure to pesticides and herbicides. Organic products are grown without synthetic chemicals, making them a safer choice for your health and the environment. As with any dietary change, it's always best to start with small amounts and gradually increase intake to assess tolerance and potential side effects. Keeping a food journal can help you track how your body responds to alfalfa and make necessary adjustments. Remember, everyone's body is different, and what works for one person may not work for another. Listen to your body and consult with healthcare professionals to make informed decisions about your diet. Alfalfa, your partner in health and wellness. Alfalfa, a humble plant with a rich history, has been a staple in agriculture for centuries. From its humble origins as animal fodder, where it was primarily used to feed livestock due to its high nutrient content, to its emerging role as a nutritional powerhouse for humans, alfalfa has come a long way. Today, it is celebrated not just for its agricultural benefits, but also for its impressive health properties. Whether you're seeking to boost your nutrient intake, support your heart health, or improve your digestive system, alfalfa can be a versatile and beneficial addition to your meals. Its high fiber content aids in digestion, while its rich supply of vitamins supports overall health, eases menopausal symptoms. Alfalfa offers a natural and holistic approach to achieving optimal well-being. Remember, this information is for educational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. While alfalfa has many health benefits, it is important to use it wisely and in moderation. Always consult with your healthcare provider before making any changes to your diet or health regimen, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking any medications. Your healthcare provider can help you determine the best way to incorporate alfalfa into your diet to ensure it complements your overall health plan. Spread the word about alfalfa by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel.